Here's a quick blade replacement video for your table saw. Start by unlocking and removing the throat plate. Then raise the blade up as far as it goes. This table saw comes with the required tools to replace the blade. They are right here behind the table saw guards. Simply unscrew the butterfly nut that's holding them in place. You will need to position one wrench on each side of the blade. Then carefully push the two wrenches away from each other to loosen the blade. Once it's loose, you can use your hand to unscrew the nut and remove it. Here's my old blade. It's a rough blade for quick cutting. I will instead be using this Diablo Fine Finish blade. By the way, these Diablo Fine Finish blades cut beautifully. Links to these blades are in the description and comments of this video. Also, if you are finding this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to help support my channel. Make sure you are orienting the blade correctly. Some blades even have arrows showing which direction the blade should spin. Also, make sure the arbor hole at the center is exactly the right size for your saw. When you're done replacing the blade, make sure you put the wrenches right back where they belong so that you don't lose them. And of course, you can finally put the throat plate back and lock it in place. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my video helpful.